You don't have to be a Harvard student to study like one. They're not smarter than you. They're just using these 4 techniques that I'll share with you very quickly. The 4th one, by the way, is my favorite. The secret isn't learning more, it's learning smarter. If you've ever felt like you're reading but not remembering, studying but not improving, it's because your techniques are ineffective. So here's how Harvard learners absorb knowledge faster than 99% of people. Number 1, active recall. After reading, close your book and recall key concepts. Force your brain to work. Finish a chapter, write 5 key questions and answer them from memory. No notes, no excuses. This method strengthens your brain's ability to remember instead of just recognize. Number 2, the Feynman Technique. To learn, read. To master, teach. It's like learning through teaching. Pick a topic and explain it in simple words, as if you're teaching a 5-year-old. Then, notice where you get stuck, refine it until it's crystal clear. That's it. When you can explain something simply, you truly understand it. Number 3, the 50/10 rule. You don't have to grind for hours. Study 50 minutes, break 10 minutes, and repeat. Make it count, no distractions. Keep your phone on airplane mode. Do this for 3 to 4 cycles for peak efficiency. Your brain will get sharper every single day, and science proves it helps you boost your focus and retention. Number 4, environment. This one's my favorite, and probably the most important. Your brain links places with habits. So, find distraction-free zones. Choose one dedicated study spot, your desk, the library, or an open space. Keep it clean, quiet, and tech-free. Want to take it up a notch? Add white noise or classical music. Just search for it on YouTube or Spotify. Finally, you have the techniques to conquer your studies. Follow them and make yourself and your parents proud instead of scrolling through a blurry Instagram feed. Want to level up even more? Subscribe to the channel, share your biggest study struggle in the comments, and together we'll overcome it.